It's a privilege to welcome you all today on World Sight Day, that is the 9th October 2025, as we gather not to just mark a global health milestone, but to lead a regional awakening. That's important. On this World Sight Day, Kashmiri hospitals unveiled a value-wide initiative to combat the alarming rise of preventable blindness, particularly in children and elderly, and the vision loss. Condition is silently affecting thousands in Kashmir. From cataracts clouding the dreams of elders to diabetic retinopathy, stealing light from the young, the burden is growing and so is the urgency. Now, something which is remarkable is recent data reveals a sobering truth. One in every three Kashmiris above 40 years of age is at risk of losing vision, and yet 80% of these cases are treatable. This is very important and significant. This is the silent reality gripping Kashmir. Cataracts, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathies, these diseases are creeping into homes, stealing vision and with it the independence. But here is a twist. Since 80% are treatable, the tragedy isn't the disease itself, but it is the delay. We are not just treating eyes, we are restoring lives, livelihoods and dignity. At Kashmir Eye Hospitals, we proudly stand as the only eye super specialty unit across Jammu and Kashmir. This isn't just a distinction, it's a responsibility as well. We believe that every person, regardless of age or income, deserves the right to clear vision. And today we reaffirm that belief with the action. This is not just a statistic, it's such a call to action that KH is answering it with urgency, innovation and heart. And on this World Sight video campaign, today we are proud to unveil several initiatives, key initiatives I would rather say. We have opened up free OPD slots across our network. We have 2 hospitals and referral clinics because no one should be denied consultation due to cost. We are launching a new clinic and Gold Opticals at Chadora, bringing premium eye care closer to home. There will be some special discounts on surgeries booked.perform today and before, because sight should never be a luxury. Free international quality IELTS for deserving pediatric patients. Dr. Adil will speak about that. And introduction of cutting-edge technology, be it Alcon Constellation for opters and other angiographies. So this isn't just a hospital initiative, it's a public awakening, I would rather say. We're calling on every Kashmiri to prioritize their eye health because blindness doesn't wait, and neither should we. So, and now I'm honored to invite 2 of our leading consultants to share their insights. First, I'm on my left, Dr. Adil, our pediatric neuro-ophthalmologist here, who will speak about the rising burden of myopia and the congenital cataracts, the burden of them among the children, and the treatment protocols we have introduced to protect their future. And on my right is Dr. Ishfaq, vitreoretinal consultant here, whose pioneering work in diabetic retinopathy through lasers, injections and vitrectomies is restoring sight and changing lives across the valley. So over to Dr. Adil now.
Yes, in children's. तो इन दोनों चीज़ों में हमें एक there is one fact which we have to understand, that congenital cataract in pediatrics is a lifelong burden. और अगर बच्चे का मोतिया बचपन में अपने टाइम पर, उसमें टाइम इज़ द एसेंस, अगर एक बच्चे का मोतिया बचपन में साफ़ नहीं किया गया, उठाकर उसमें लेंस नहीं इम्प्लांट किया गया, तो उसकी उम्र भर की ज़िंदगी है वो एक ऐसी होगी जो डिपेंडेंट होगी. वो उसमें उसी कंडीशन में रहेगा जिस कंडीशन में हम उसी डार्कनेस में रहेगा जो हम कभी नहीं चाहेंगे. एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट 2 एनेक्डोटल बच्चों के पेरेंट्स के वाक़या है जो मैं आपको बोलूँगा. एक पेरेंट मेरे पास आया, 3 महीने की बच्ची, दोनों बायलैटरल कैटरैक्ट कंजेनाइटल. तो उसके बाप ने एक अजीब स्टेटमेंट मुझे कहा ये बचस कि ना अगर अमिस गसे ये ठीक कि ना लक्ष्य बेहतर गसन खुदा सी हवा. Now she is almost 7 years old child, seeing with both of the eyes, alhamdulillah. But that statements actually tell you कि कितना emotionally disturbed parent होता है. और दूसरा एक मैं बताऊंगा, एक recently we operated a child of 3 months old. उसमें एक आँख में जब हमें लेंस डालना होता है, we are skeptical, लेंस त्राउवा की अच्छा लकट. मैंने उनको कहा कि ये लेंस जब डालेंगे हम, there is a possibility लेंस में भी काटूँ due to complication, because देयर आर सम स्टडीज़ जो कहते हैं 1 साल के बाद लेंस डालें, देयर आर सम स्टडीज़ 1 साल से पहले, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स बोथ ऑफ द केसेस. वी टोल्ड देम कि विल पुट इट बिकॉज हमें दूसरी आई भी ऑपरेट करनी है. अगर उस टाइम हमें लगा कि इसमें थोड़ा भी इशू है, विल टेक दिस आउट, फाइन. After 1 month, when the father came with the child in his lap, गोडनिक चीज़ सो वना में ए इनस कर जो उसने किए, क्योंकि I have seen her seeing first time. 3 अब वो 5 महीने की, तो देखा कि मैंने पहली बार देखा है कि ये बच्ची देख रही है, बच्चा देख रहा है. So these are some things which touch you. Then when I went for the second eye, I thought about कि अगर मैं काढूं पेच काढूं, but I tried maximum to save that. We should put that lens. Alhamdulillah, both of the lenses were implanted now. That child is seeing now very clearly. So I'll like to say that what we see, the congenital cataract is a privilege. ये ज़रूरत आप बच्चे, और ये ज़्यादातर उन socio economically poorer class of children में होता है. So what we decided for them, I will first announce that on this World Sight Day, कि Alhamdulillah we are in contact with our partners for that. Our trust with that, Al-Imdad is our trust. We are continuously working. I am associated with that also, and our these lens partners also, Care Group. I like to mention the name also. We have decided that from our end we will be doing free surgeries, whether under scheme, under Golden Card, Ayushman Bharat, or sponsorship, wherever it's not available. Yes, but the lens will be international lens now. So it will be sponsored completely free of cost for all those children who are underprivileged, are being actually verified that they are underprivileged, referred by someone, or वो underprivileged जो है, that has been documented. We have our team for that also. They actually take care of that part also. They verify it very clearly. So this is one part we'll be announcing, international lens in all patients, because every child has right to see. And because this is a long lasting implications, you should आज throw the paga kado se lens, you umri khad tims yo lens travel. Temi mujhe cho decide kormut, we talk, discuss the length with our team, with others, that we are actually sponsoring all those children जिनका क्या कहते हैं socio-economically poorer class, verified patient, international lens will be implanted after cataract surgery inshallah. And second thing is definitely myopia, which is rising so fast and high, because pandemic के जो 2-3 साल रहे हैं उसमें उसका जो इफेक्ट हुआ है बच्चों की आंखों पर, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन बहुत कुछ हुआ, and this is one of the main reasons also considered to be. अभी तक 1999 का जो डेटा है 4% 5% का पॉपुलेशन मायोपिया थी, then about 2019 it has increased up till 27%. उसके बाद 2030 की जो प्रोजेक्शन है, that's around 30%, 28 to 30%, 32%. Then 2050 तक, 2050 तक, it's actually it's in the studies that it's believed that कि almost half of the population will be myopic, almost 48%, and this is huge. So for this reason we have started our myopia clinic. So we'll be actually screening them all for that reason, and we'll advise also to parents to screen their children as nearest vision center जो है इनको दिखाए. और दूसरा sibling, अगर एक बच्चे को प्रॉब्लम है दूसरे बच्चे को ज़रूर दिखाना चाहिए. Almost more than 50% chances the second child has a glass power also. और नज़दीक का कोई भी विजन सेंटर हो वहाँ दिखाइए उनको. और दूसरी चीज़ ये भी है कि उनका आउटडोर एक्टिविटी बढ़ाइए, ऑनलाइन कम कीजिए, प्रोटेक्टिव ग्लासेस पहनाइए. 2 hours outdoor in sun is very important. And then there are new myopia जो ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स है, we follow them. चाहे वो ड्रॉप्स है, चाहे मायोकेयर ग्लासेस है, चाहे क्यूरेटिव प्रोसेसेस है, लेंसेज है, तो वो सारी चीज़ें everything we try to do to prevent this, and we are happy to announce this on this auspicious day of World Sight Day. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि हम सब इससे बेनिफिट भी लेंगे और मुस्तफ़ीद भी होंगे. मैं छोटा सा एक मिसरा कहूँगा. हम ये कहते हैं कि क्या कहते हैं कि ये पूरी दुनिया जो है इस टाइम आलम के दजान कशिर पर कहते कि रहमत का उबर बन के जहाँ बर में छाइए, आलम ये जल रहा है बरस कर बुझाइए.